In this video, I am going to answer one of the interview questions which was asked by mphasis in QA automation test engineer role, which is how to reverse a string while keeping the spaces intact. So let's get to the programming of it. Let me explain to you what's the problem first with the help of a diagram. So here you suppose you are given a string I am lost. It is the string. You will have to first convert it to character array. Then it will look like this. So all you have to do is put this one at this position, like just reverse it. T at first index of array, S at, if there is space we have to keep the spaces, and S at second index of the array, and O at third index of array, and so on. So I'm going to write the code to explain it to you. So let's write the program for it. I have created a class name reverse string space intact, and for this we will have to put input string. Let's call it string input equal to, let's say input string is I am lost, and string output equal to, let's create another method which will do all the work. So let's call it public static string, return type is string. So we are gonna have to put string as return type, and the method name will be reverse string keep space intact. Its input will be a string input. So string output will be this input of this. Now first we have to convert the input string into character array. So let's call it char input char array equal to input dot, we can use inbuilt function to char array. And we will have to make another character array which will store the result. So let's call it char result char array equal to new. We're gonna have to create a new character array. So this is the syntax for it. We will use the same length of the input character array dot length. So this will create a new character array to store the result. Now we will have to initialize the last pointer of the input character array. So let's call it int j equal to dot length -1. It will initialize the last pointer of the input character array. So the input dot length -1 is the last index. Now let's write for loop, and inside for loop we're gonna initialize the first character, which is I. For int I, initialize it with 0, zeroth index, and then I should be less than the length of character array. So the import character array dot length is the last index, and increase the counter. Now inside for loop, you're gonna have to use if loop to check if the first index of the character import character array is space or not. So if import char array first index should not be equal to space, and we also have to check the last character array if last character array is space or not. So for that we're gonna use while loop. It's the jth position, so we're gonna have to verify if it's space. If it is space, then we're gonna have to go to the left of the index. So j minus minus for that. So if both the condition are true, it will move the first index. Okay, result char array. Yeah, so the first character of result character array, if the first index of the character array is not space and the last character array is also not space, then it will move the last character from the import character array to the first first index of result char array. So this will do it. Otherwise it will put space in the first character of result character array. First index equals to space. See, if the last character is not space, then in the result character array, it will put the last index of import character array to the first index of our result character array, and it will move the pointer to here to the left. So now in next iteration it will work with s, and ith pointer is also increased. So in the next iteration the I pointer will be space. So if the I pointer is not space, then the else character will run and it will put the space in the result character array also. Wait. No, this is not correct. Okay. Now, if the certain condition satisfy, then we will have to create a new string, return new string. Then we will pass the parameter as result character array. We forgot the semicolon. Now it should be working. Let's say string import is I am lost. Oh wait, we will have to use print statements as well. Otherwise it can't print. Now it should work. So I am doing something incorrect, I guess. Yeah, the J pointer should move anyway if there is space or not. So yeah, there was J decrementer missing here. Now it should work. Yeah, see, it kept the space intact. Space after one, space after this one, and reverse the string. So let me know if you understood it or not. And if you have any questions, then comment it. Then I will try to reply as soon as possible. And make sure to subscribe for more interview question and answer.